am going to take my uniform. So let's go. Oh my god, yeah, I'm very excited and now I have taken my books and I am very happy. Hello friends, so अभी मैं जा रही हूँ. So friends, this is my new school and today I have come to purchase my books and uniforms and I am very happy for that. So friends, अभी मैंने मेरी books ले लिए हैं and now I come to take my uniform. So I am very happy for that कि मेरी books को मैंने first ले ली है and tomorrow will be my result, so video will come. So I am very excited. जब भी मैं घर से आ रही थी ना स्कूल तक तब मैं इतनी एक्साइटेड थी ना कि क्या बताऊँ, बट बुक्स आ गई है. एंड हाँ, बुक पे मुझे एक न्यू सब्जेक्ट आया है फ्रेंच, जो अभी तक नहीं था. अभी तक तो मेरा संस्कृत चल रहा था, बट इन द स्कूल देयर इज़ फ्रेंच सब्जेक्ट, सो इट्स गुड फॉर मी. अब मैं सब सब्जेक्ट के साथ फ्रेंच भी करूँगी. एक्चुअली मुझे संस्कृत भी थोड़ी थोड़ी आती है एंड अब फ्रेंच भी आ जाएगी. एक्चुअली मैं ड्यूलिंगो से सीख रही थी फ्रेंच कुछ पहले करूँगी, बट अब मुझे सीरियस लेना पड़ेगा, फोकस करना पड़ेगा फ्रेंच पे, क्योंकि फ्रेंच न्यू सब्जेक्ट है. एंड अब हम घर जाके आपको एक छोटा सा हॉल देंगे. सो दैट्स इट. So friend, now I am back in home and I was very happy while purchasing my books of all the 7th grade. Oh my god, I am very excited for seeing my all the books. Which were the books? So actually ना मैंने भी अभी तक मेरे books नहीं देखे हैं. So I think कि आप सबके साथ भी मेरी books share कर ली जाए. So without wasting much time, so I am very excited, so let's go for it. So first of all, I get this is the cover of book and notebook. There are 2 covers and see the polythene of class 7. In this polythene there are my books, all the books are there. So let's put out my all the books. So see, these are the books and I am very happy to see that all the books, because I like it very much. Now the new section is started for me from 6th of April. My new section will start, class 7. Yes, and so first of all there is art book and art code class 7th. So I will see it later. First of all I am seeing all the books, so let's see. Okay, first of all there is part 1. Okay, part 1 of social science. Okay, so let's see inside of that, how is it from inside. And see, I'm smelling that. Oh my god, new books ki jo smell, oh my god, I like it very much. Oh, this is very cool and good. And friends, see, the book is very good from inside. So first I am seeing the chapter. First chapter is, I think it is, see, I have economics and geography, history, all that things are there. Now I am 7th, so that's why it's senior wing. So I am very happy for that. I am really very happy. I have no words to say कि मैं happy हूँ. And see, here are some practice work and this the part 2nd. Yes, part 2 of social science. See, this is part 2 and that is like that only. Part 1 जैसी part 2 है. So the first chapter is the story of Indian farming. Okay, so this is very good, I like it very much. And after that there I see the book is that yes, the science power. Oh my god, this is very good. The science power, new science power. And see the butterfly, volcano, all that things. Okay, the flower is also very good. And inside, see, new science power. This rose is pretty, very pretty. And the chapter 1, the over evolving world of science. Okay, so I am going to study all that things and I am very excited. See, and after that mathematics. Okay, Mathematics. Okay, I like it. Mathematics is little bit hard, but no problem. I can do it. So first activity is to subtract integers. Okay, and see friends, there is an graph book at the back of the book. So this is also very good, and I like it very much. Oh my god, it is literally very good and cool. Okay, I like it very much. Activity 1, to add integers. In 7th class I have studied, in 6th class I have studied integers. And then AI. Okay, AI, artificial intelligence, it is very good, and this is new subject for me. In 6th class there were no AI, there was Sanskrit for me, so now there is AI. Now Hindi, द्रव्या हिंदी पाठमाला. So आगे बढ़े चलेंगे. There is poem, and I have seen that all Hindi's first chapter is poem only. Actually, every first page has poem only, and then second chapter is Anokhi Ghatna, and I am going to read that about Hindi. And see, now this is an book, so let's open it. It is in cover, so let's see. Okay, there I got there two books, one small, one big book. And let's see, my 7th safety workbook. Oh my god, in 7th S is ulta. Yes, ulta S बना रखा है. And in safety that is straight only, that is right, but in safety that is wrong S. No problem. First chapter, say hello. Okay, I think this is moral science or like that. So I'm keeping in that side, and now I don't know what is it. In this some written notes were there, so I'm going to read that. And then now the feelings guide to Moneyverse. Okay, the feelings guide to the Moneyverse. This is, I think, it is about what is it? I think I don't know about it, but in this there is bank, there is some knowledge of bank, all that thing. So I'm going to read this also. So, and I like this also, and see the cover is very pretty. And now there is Vyakran Nidhi. Hindi Vyakran is it. So see, it is very good. फर्स्ट भाषा और व्याकरण, चैप्टर 1 भाषा और व्याकरण, पार्ट 1 है ना, भाषा और व्याकरण. सो ओके, इन 6th class also there were bhasha and vyakaran to me. And after that, then the English book, let's see. So the English book has very many chapters, and the first chapter is the flying carpet. And I know the story of flying carpet, but I am going to read this also. So I will read that, but not now. At 2-3 days ago I have written it, so that's why. And also I have seen this epic grammar book. This is epic grammar book, friends. And after that, mathematics for class 7th. Yes friends, for class 7. And in mathematics book there are I think there are examples and exercise to solve, and in this book there were only activity. So now here in this book are all exercise to solve, like 1A, 1-2, 1-3, like that. So now it is very good for me for 7th class. And the last, my art code book. So let's see it. Okay, there is a holder and some papers inside it for craft. And let's see art book also. This is very good. Inside, see how many colorful pictures are there, all that things were there. I like it very much. And also friends, here are notebooks also. There are 3 kinds of notebook, one medium, one long notebook like register, and one were itni patli notebooks thi na wo, so no problem for that. And see, this is a long notebook. see in pages are like this, and I am going to write in this. And see friends, French book also is there. French book I like it because now there is French also for me, so I will cover it. ओके सो लेट्स सी. फ्रांसिस, फ्रेंच को फ्रांसिस बोलते हैं. लेसन 0 है एंड एक्सरसाइजेस भी है. सो आई विल do that also in school. And see, I got pencil colors, pencil cum watercolors are there. And thank you for watching. Bye bye. Like, share and subscribe.